think at the end of this video, we'll put her on camera. What do you think of that idea, Gina? At the end of this video, we'll put Belly on camera. Yeah. Well, if we can get through this project, maybe when we're done, we'll put her on camera. Okay. So, I don't know the name that I'm using, but I recommend if you're gonna do this, don't use this brand. They're cheap. And they weren't, when I say cheap, they're cheaply made. Because there's been a few times, and Gina can back me up on this, where we've barely touched the pencil to the paper and the tip has broken. So we're just trying to get through these so we can open the plasma color set that I bought a couple months ago. Now, if you can't afford those because they're quite expensive, but they're beautiful. Another brand I would recommend is the Faber-Castell brand. That was the first set of colored pencils I got obsessed with in my third year of school. And according to my mom, Faber-Castell is a really highly recommended brand of pencils. So that says a lot. Apparently they're made in Germany. And these are oil-based. I'm not sure what Faber-Castell is made out of, but they are quite beautiful. I don't necessarily recommend them for skin tone, but they are good for other details. Alright, so we're gonna switch. What was the other color I pulled out for the outfit? Oh, I thought I pulled something else for the outfit. Did I not? Maybe I'll just layer some. Let's look at our set here. Sorry guys, we're a bit all over the place. I think, maybe we'll add green because it'll make it pop. Full disclaimer, I don't know if this is gonna work because I don't know if a chalk pastel will go well with a color pencil. But we'll see. We're just doing this because color theory. Because red is the opposite of green or opposite, so it should make it pop in theory, but that may not be true in this case because of the different textures that are probably playing off each other at the moment. But, oh, you know what? That is working, isn't it? Okay, so I think let's lift this up and see if we can see if it made a difference in the light here. What do you think, Gina? Did that make a difference? Yeah. Okay, let's lift it up so people can see. Okay, so this is actually good because it gives us that rich color that was associated with wealth during the Renaissance. I mean, this is a bit messy, but like I always say, sometimes the best art happens by accident. So, we'll move on. Okay, and this is another thing I like to do. I like to let Gina choose sometimes what we're gonna do next, so we'll see. You don't want to be on camera, do you? No. She doesn't like it when I do this chair. But, yeah. Blue? Alright. Okay, what should we do, blue? I wonder if we should do the rim blue and then do the chair purple. Because it'll pop against the red. What do you think? Okay, so I'm not even sure what some of this, I don't know how Gemini came up with this. I know I was putting random pictures into Gemini one day to see if I can improve my own artwork, because I'll be honest, one thing I really miss about art school is the feedback from professors. That's one thing Diane warned me about. Oh, total disclaimer, I'm probably going to mention Diane a lot. Hi Diane, I know you're watching because she mentioned to me that she subscribed the other day. So, yeah, you'll hear the name Diane a lot. You'll hear Diane, Gina, and Belly a lot. Yeah. Okay, you think we can spread it now? You know what? This actually works really well. Okay, yeah. Should we do a bit of a darker tone? Because I feel like, yeah, okay. You spread, I'll smudge. Yeah, that's how we do it. This is breaking one of the biggest myths, is that people think artists work alone and independent. Well, yes, that's true, but it's really not. I could give you a list of contemporary artists and historical artists that collaborated. If that's something you're interested in, let me know and I'll maybe go over that in a future video, like a art history video or a museum practices video. Ooh, yeah. I almost think we need a different shade, hey? Yeah. So, but I don't want to use, that's blue, right? Or is it green? I can't remember what it says on the label. Okay, so we can't use orange because if we use orange, that'll create brown. So I really need to spend some more time with the color wheel. I was really bad at that in school. I just kind of did what I wanted to do. Is there a lighter blue? Maybe to contrast? Yeah. Oh yeah. That'll see. This is why I like working with Gina. Because if you catch my last video, how I saved my art from becoming an accident, we've developed a. I guess we kind of read each other's minds, hey Gina, when we're working. Yeah. But that took years to develop. But we developed that during COVID. You know, I almost think that once we've done this part, we should probably add some orange into the background. What do you think? Like this area? Yeah. Okay. What is it? Yeah, you think here or okay. I wonder if we should do no, because if I do that, you think in here, right? In here, like in the yellow. Are we just making sure we're on the same page, right? Yeah. Okay. So how about oh, and guys, clean your fingers. That's one thing I'm really bad at with pastels. But if you don't, it makes it muggy. So I'm gonna try to clean this line. Oh yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, that makes the orange or the blue pop, hey? Or what do you think? Yeah, lightly. Yeah, like very, very, very. Not as dark as I did it because I just did that because my hand control was not so great. Now does that pop with the blue in the foreground or not? Not really. Hey? I was just think just to kind of blend. Yeah, there you go. I guess maybe underneath the blue. Hey, like, cause that's I think that's a wall. Is that what you think that is under the frame there? See right here. So okay, if you hear noise, that's belly. Yeah, no. Okay, so here. You mean like where the back is? I was thinking purple because it would probably blend in with the stencil. What do you think? And I think it would pop against the orange and the yellow. We could probably do a bit of both, like dark and light. Yeah. So I don't think that set has purple, does it? The other set? And also, it'll just be easy if I keep my hands dirty in one thing, if you know what I mean. Okay guys, since it's getting late, I think Gina and I are gonna do the chair and then we'll call it a night and then we'll finish this video. Not this week right now because I'm gonna take some time off from filming, but we'll finish it next week. So if you've enjoyed this process, please like, subscribe, and if you feel up to it, hit the notification bell. Oh, and please tell me what you think in the comments and what you would like me to talk about next, whether it's museum practices, art history, or another traditional tutorial, or another Procreate process video. Thanks guys, have a good night. Hi guys, so I went back in to finish this project. So we used red and different shades of red for the hair and blue and green for the portrait that the person is looking at. And then we just, as you saw, added more orange, but we added some depth to the chair and the hair. And the goal was to make this a mixed media project, but plans change. So thanks for watching, and feel free to make this your own. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. And if there's something you wanted to see, please let me know in the comments. Bye guys.